Hey guys, we received this sample of a cell phone stand for desk for test and try. And this one is angle height adjustable phone holder for desk, or the aluminum alloy universal phone stand for recording, or any purpose you want to use. So the first impression, nice packing. This is the base stand. It's very sturdy and heavy. So this can hold the stand, and these are the connecting cable. So this is for the mobile hook, just to think. So to just take it out, push it, and then lock it. So you can adjust the height, the movement, or anything you want, and can hold really a good size phone, like even a Max Pro Max phone or the Samsung Galaxy Pro phones. So this one, I'm just trying to do a mobile like the iPhone with the cover, so the size increase with the cover. So mm, and then you can see like the all the adjustment size to 180 degree and wherever you want. So and the other thing is you have to just push it, and then it goes inside, and that's all set. So this stand is really nice and handy. Then you can extend it up to a height. It's pretty much you can use it the way you want. So 360-degree rotation, and then a 180-degree rotation for the side. It's also have a different function that you can use. So the stand is very sturdy, and let's fix this mobile. So it's easy because of this flexible thing here. Your mobile can hold and it will not fall or do anything here. Then you can rotate to 180 to 360 degree depending on horizontal and vertical. Then also you can just take any angle. So basically it's a very nice design for a phone stand, and it's good for video recording as well, like this, or it can be used to watch a movie or anything. So for the recording also you can see like it's a totally top to bottom thing. You can rotate it up to that 180 degree thing here, and then you can also use it or scroll it, whatever is your requirement. You can also watch your movie or anything with the horizontal on this, so you can rotate it on this side as well, and then enjoy the stand. So basically I will say this is a nice, and the total height it can reach is up to 38 centimeter. So you can extend it up to that level, and yeah. So basically a very nice stand and very handy. You can just take it down and then put it anywhere. So first, and the impression is really good on the stand with the sturdy base and very helpful thing.